Hello guys, and welcome to Kitten Game, where we're gonna be playing. So we're gonna be trying to get. This might be a multiple part video, like series, but let's get into it. Hello guys, welcome. I don't know what else to say, but we got group cats. Oh, I need this cat. It's so cute. Why am I being weird? To you guys, that's probably a weird cat. But let's see, group. Okay, I want to be this blue cat. Okay, now that we have the cat that we're gonna be, I feel like it's time to explore this house. I've never been here before. I've never played this game ever in my life. I'm gonna can I just have a name? Oh, I already have a name. Even my little brother is playing on it. I'm gonna change it to Hamburglar. Nom. I have Hamburger Nom. Okay. So there's a pool. Ooh, coin. I got 1 coin. Oh. I got a blue, it matches me. I'm a blue kitty cat. Kitty cat. What else? What other cats can I figure? Chunky? Chunky cat. I want this one. I need it. Oh, it's furry coins. I need it. It's adorable. Eyes. I can have eye colors. Evil cat. I see you. That's creepy. I gotta figure that out soon. Hat. Wings! I can have angel wings. I'm getting these when I have enough coins. I need it. There's just so many cute. A banana hat. There's so many cute. Oh. I don't have anything owned. Oh, these are adorable. Some of them I love. I love some of them. Dark horns. A goose hat. Okay, guys. You're definitely gonna figure out. This is definitely gonna be a long series, but let's continue exploring. Okay, so there's tic-tac-toe. Maybe we can find a friend to play. Hi. I'm filming. Hi, I'm filming. Okay. Hopefully someone reacts to that, because I'm gonna turn the music down. It's bugging my ears, and you guys probably can't hear me that well. Anyway, wait, what else is there? Not meme cat. What is that? A black and white cat that has a creepy smile. Smurf cat! Hey, get that away from me. Everyone knows that Smurf cat. Wait, can we be Maxwell the cat? There's sit, lie down, loaf, sleep, do, sleep, eat. Oh, need. The actions are adorable. Meow, hiss, purr, dance 1, dance 2, dance 3, dance 5. What's dance 5? Oh, stand, stretch. Oh, this game is precious. Clean. Oh, I can lick my paw. Scratch. Dig. Lie back. Fly. Oh, is this it? Loaf spin. Oh, I'm Maxwell the cat. I'm Maxwell the cat. I'm Maxwell. Scared. Beg. Beg too. Attack. Oh, that's. I need to find someone to help me play tic-tac-toe, but honestly, I can become Maxwell the cat. Next video, I'm gonna get that chunky black, wait, is there a chunky black and white cat? If there is, I could be that, and that would be perfect for Maxwell the cat, because he's a chunky black and white cat. I need this. It's Maxwell. Wait, Maxwell? Does he have yellow eyes? No, does he have blue eyes? I want to meet Maxwell. He has blue eyes. And that's perfect because this one has blue eyes. Is there anyone that looks even more like Maxwell? No. Wait, how much is that? How much is that? 100? That's a lot of money just for a chunky black and white cat. Okay, let's go ahead and get in here. I'm turning this off. I want to sit here that. Yeah, it actually plays, and that's adorable because I'm a cat. And there's like this bed. Oh, it's adorable. Hopscotch. Hopscotch. I don't know how to play hopscotch. What is this? Ah! No, I don't wanna. I don't wanna go up here. Let's scratch this. Hamburglar is scratching a scratching post. Oh my gosh, it doesn't. It just gets better. This game is the best. It's the cutest game I've ever seen. A Roomba. No, can we recreate it? Can I? Oh, I can't go on the Roomba. Can I sit? Can I sit on the Roomba? Roomba cat recreation. I've recreated the Roomba cat meme. Oh my god. I have recreated it in a Roblox game. Roomba X cat. I've recreated Roomba cat. And wait, I can have milk. But cats aren't supposed to have milk. By the way, never feed this your cat milk because it can kill them. I'm just like actually. Oh, I'm huge. Wait. Oh, I sized down. I was trying to like see what happened. Okay, let's run. Let's see what's upstairs. A party room. Wait, what's this button? Disco ball? Okay, guys, this is what. Burger. I need ice. I'm gonna eat the ice cream. I'm gonna steal it. Strawberry. I like strawberry ice cream. Eat. A burger. Oh my god, this is just delicious. I'm a hamburglar. I need to steal all the hamburgers. I'm stealing them all. These are all my hamburgers. Steals hamburgers. I'm the hamburglar. Well, after we stole enough hamburgers, what is this? I'm gonna see if I can get my cat Atlantis to make her meow or something, and you guys can meet her one day. Like, but not actually because I don't like show anything, my face or anything. But oh, jump up here and sit. It's adorable. I love it. What's over here? Birds. Bird. 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 Okay, this is so cool. A plant. God, I don't want to go down. What is in here? A shower. Like, there's a lot of stuff here. A bed. Why is there a bed? Like a human bed, like an actual human bed. Some like weird chairs. I wonder what cat statue that. I wonder what cat that statue is for. A never scratching post. Poison? Poison. I thought it said poison. I'm gonna drink this. I wonder what it does. I don't think I should be drinking this. What if it kills me? Oh. I'm walking on my I'm walking with my legs. Okay, this is actually kind of creepy. I don't like it. I actually kind of don't like this. I hope the potion wears off soon. This is creepy. I want to go down one of the slides.
Excited to go to Nani's today? Paint?